Ever since I started to ride bikes, it was in 2018 when I bought my first hardtail, I realized how crucial eyewear is when riding it in the forest. It was trial and error until I managed to find the glasses which I liked, and honestly, first ones were cheap, very poor looking, but they served the purpose. As I ride more and more, the looks and functionality becomes increasingly important, so once I found the glasses which works for me, looks okay-ish from the outside, but super nice from the inside, I used them for 6 years. However, at some point I became bored from the looks and I tried our manufactured glasses, and none of those came to me as the one to my liking. And while visually they kind of sometimes looks quite suitable, once you go out riding, you start to see the frame or the wind just goes inside somewhere and you're not necessarily going to like them. So when Revoray got in touch with me, I didn't mind to try their glasses just to see whether I'm able to find the alternative from what I've been using for years. This video is going to be about those glasses which I've chosen from Revoray. It's Brisk Y7 with interchangeable lenses. Because I prefer warm instead of cool, I chosen this model which seemed to kind of suit my definition of preference. It turned out to be a bit different than I expected, but I will cover everything in this video. In my Instagram you can find some unboxing of those, but I'm not in particular into that thing. I'm more into functionality and in general what that glasses can do for you when you are riding in the forest outside and how it works. Apart from the glasses, inside there is prescription frame. Without the glasses, which you can order in optics, 2 interchangeable lenses. One is, super yellowish. It's transparent. You can see my eyes quite easily. Haven't rid of this, but I would like it more when my eyes are a bit covered rather than fully transparent, even with the tint. And there is transparent one, which I already used, and well, it's basically transparent. Obviously, transparent is transparent without no tint, nothing. A few bits about the frame itself and the quality of the build. It's decent. You can adjust the nose pads. Those are not adjustable, but because the rubber is kind of bending, it goes around the head quite nicely. It sticks without moving or anything, so it's good. The only thing which I am not in particular in love with this model, it's not matte finish, but glossy. So the frame itself is glossy and, well, it's a matter of preference. For me, a bit matte, slightly better than the gloss. Now, how to change the lens? It's quite easy. You just push it from the top. It's actually quite easy to remove them, but they hold fine. And then in order to insert it back, well, I'm inserting the transparent one. You just put the bottom first and then push it from the top. So as easy as that. Obviously, when doing that, it would be suggested to use the fabric, so that way you will prevent your fingerprints and possibility to scratch anything by a chance. So now it will be the test. I will put those on and you have to tell me which looks the best on me. So the test. The current glasses, Revoray ones, Brisk Y7. Secret ones. And my beloved ones. Well, I'm very used to this tint. If you're interested about the looks, that's what I'm used to. And that's how Revoray looks like. Surprisingly, even though the outside is yellowish, the inside is cool tint. Depending on your preference for the shade, if you have any, keep that in mind that the outside not necessarily matches what's in the inside. The website will also showcase how transparent they are when it comes to allowing sunlight cross through the lens. The factor which you take care into account if you are riding in super bright conditions or cloudy or absolutely dark, for example. It is crucial to choose your eyewear based on your head. My head is triangular shape, so I can't ride the glasses which are too flat in front. I need something which just goes around my head. But the speed glasses, if you know what I'm talking about, looks terrible on me. Last two things about those. When you put them on, there is slightly fish eye on the outside, so that kind of helps you to increase the vision angle. If you would take those glasses on and off, you could see that it just slightly bends the outside, and it's a good thing. Our factor is cost. These does not require for you to rob the bank, and at the same time the glasses are the thing which scratches easily, breaks down, etc. That being said, take a look around, maybe you'll find something you like. Myself, I will try those in sunny conditions once there is possibility for that, because currently in Lithuania it's pretty much all the time you need to go with transparent glasses, because otherwise you're not necessarily seeing anything in the forest. Let me know in the comments which out of those three suits me the best by the looks.